Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and this time we're going to do this beautiful rose leaf. Or like that. And then we need scissor. I use 2.6 or any crochet hook that you have. You want big, use bigger size. Okay? Use 3 or 3.5, and then a bulky yarn. This is the yarn that I use. This is Egypt cotton yarn. It's a comb cotton in the Philippines. And this wire, just I know, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 inches. Okay. You'll be needing 3 of this. Let's go! Ayan, let's do a slip knot. Here. Twist. Insert. Pull the yarn. Then you have a slip knot. Or, here, and then this one, hold. Ta-da! See? So easy. And then chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There. Now you're going to work with the yarn, but first you're going to insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. O, diba? Insert it here, and then put the wire there, like this. Okay, and then like this. You made your first single crochet, and then after that you're going to do half double crochet into the second here, the second stitch. So get like this, and then insert your hook, the yarn, and then pull two loops. This is your half double crochet. Now you're going to do double crochet. Okay, double crochet. Now you're going to do 4 double crochet into the 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 double crochet. Okay, 2, 3, and 4. My son is coughing. Sorry about that. And then after that, you're going to do is 1 double crochet, and then half double crochet, and then after that, you're going to do 1 single crochet, am I right? Wait. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. 1 single crochet. Now, into this last here, you're going to do 3 single crochet. Okay. Let's fix it. Put the yarn. Put the yarn and the wire here, like this. Okay? Dapat balance. Okay? So, 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and then 3, like that. Then after that, into this single stitch here, we're going to do 1 single crochet. There, it's a little bit tricky, you know. And then after that, you're going to do half double crochet, and then double crochet, work with the wire and the tail, is the beginning tail. Then after that, you're going to do 4 double crochet, one, two, three, and 4. Okay. And then after that, you're going to do is half double crochet. Okay. And then after that, 1 single crochet, there, and then slip stitch, and then chain 1. But you're going to do the chain 1 here at the side, at the back, I mean. There you have it. And then after that, you're going to do is the chain 2. And then here, chain 1. And then chain 2, chain 1. All around the stitches, okay? So chain 2, and then single crochet. chain 2, single crochet around. I'll see you at the end. Okay, this is the last. So chain 2 and then 1 single crochet. And then after that, cut the yarn. Tama ba? Oh, cut. Yes, cut it. Enough yarn, huh? Enough yarn so we can hide the wire. This wire. So let's get a needle and then insert it here. Ito. Chain and chain dito. Yes, like that. I'm sorry. Okay, when you put it here, just like that. Okay. Papantay din yan maya-maya ng bahagya. And then, insert here. Insert one more again. It depends on you if you can see that it's balanced already. It's the time to wrap the wire. See? Wrap it like this. Okay. Then twist it. There. Wait. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you had a great time, and hopefully you can join me again on our next tutorial. Salamat po! Bye-bye! Mwah-mwah! Chup-chup!
No, 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 no.